Hello everybody, I'm here to talk about Joseph, the new peacock. This is my lucky wall. Every time I put a mosaic on here it sells. You may remember there were some Sicily cranes up here. In a previous video we were repairing them. Anyway, this one is called Joseph after Joseph Wright, who made Flint House here in 1720. This is the design. And when a lady saw this, she said to me, "Oh, you remind me of my friend who's a sculptor. He can't draw either," which I thought was really funny, because the only reason I made this design at all was to send to James, the metal fabricator, to make the tray to put the mosaic in. The peacock eyes range from big to medium to small babies. I don't know, I haven't counted them, but there are hundreds of feather eyes in there, all individually made by me, and I think it's rather a spectacular piece, don't you? And that's it.